friends! I'm Ava. Let's learn the alphabet together. A is for apple, so shiny and red. Let's clap for A and nod our head. Is for B, it buzzes by. Buzz, 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 buzz. Wave and say hi. C is for cat, soft and sweet. Can you tiptoe on your feet? D is for drum, boom, boom, boom. Let's march and play around the room. E is for elephant, big and gray. Swing your arm like a trunk today. F is for fish that swims in the sea. Move your hands like fish with me. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. Stretch up high and wave your hand. H is for hop, hop, up and down. Big happy hops all around. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. Pretend to lick your cone, what a treat. J is for jump, jump, jump really high. Reach your hands up to the sky. K is for kangaroo, with a jumpy crew. Bounce, 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 we can too. L is for lion, roar so loud. Let's roar together, make it proud. M is for monkey, swinging free. Arms up high, swing with me. N is for nest, where birdies sleep. Fold your hands and nap so deep. O is for octopus, with arms so wide. Wiggle your arms side to side. P is for penguin, waddle slow. Waddle, waddle, here we go. Q is for queen, with a shiny crown. Bow to the queen, up and down. R is for rainbow, colors bright. Draw a rainbow left to right. S is for snake that slithers near. Wiggle your arms and hiss right here. T is for turtle, slow and small. Crawl along, don't go tall. U is for umbrella, keep dry today. Pretend to hold one, hooray! V is for violin, play the tune. Bow your arm and hum a tune. W is for whale, swimming by. Blow big air up to the sky. X is for a xylophone, ding, ding, ding. Pretend to play and hear it sing. Y is for yak with fluffy hair. Shake your head, shake everywhere. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat. Stomp your feet to the zebra beat. Thanks for learning the alphabet with me. And subscribe for new videos every week.